Objection. It is so decided.
24 hours to the 14th Assembly of State Parties Conference at The Hague, Netherlands, the International Criminal Court's top brass is raising concerns on the meeting's agenda. Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda, ICC President Sylvia Fernandez, and Registrar Herman von Habel have opposed Kenya's attempts to push for a review of Rule 68 of the court's procedures on the use of recanted evidence. In a letter to ASP President Sidiki Kaba, the trio insists the court's independence and jurisdiction must be respected, and no deliberations that seek to interfere with the active cases should be allowed. In a bid to save Ruto from the ICC jaws, the Kenyan government is dispatching a high-powered delegation of technocrats, activists and parliamentarians to lobby ICC member states at the Hague meeting to review the use of Rule 68 and deny Bensouda an opportunity to use as evidence statements recorded by witnesses who have since recanted their testimonies. The African Union is driving the Kenyan agenda at the ASP and has also been admitted as a friend of the court in an appeal filed by Ruto and his co-accused Joshua Arap Sang on the use of recanted evidence.
Hii makesi na ndio mimi naendelea kusema. Wameniwekea mimi, wamewekea Ruto. Jameni, na nyinyi mlikuweko. Mwaka huo mliona jina yangu wao ya Mheshimiwa Ruto kwa kura pale. Sasa jameni, tunaulizwa nini sisi? Sisi hatutaki makesi ambaye yanasukumwa na watu wengine kwa sababu ya siasa zao. Na tuwasema tutasimama kidete na imara mpaka kesi hiyo imalizike.
Katika West Pokot hapa, wale wabeberu wa kwanza walikuja kuangaisha mzee hapa, kama vile wabeberu hawa wengine wanajaribu kutuangaisha pia kule. Lakini vile mzee alifaulu, naamini ya kwamba hata sisi wote tutafaulu.
Tunaenda ICC kuonana na ule mama anaitwa Bensouda, macho kwa macho, beka kwa beka, makoti kwa makoti, mpaka tuhakikishe kwamba hiyo kesi imepisha.
The coalition of civil society keen on the Ruto Sang case is also sending a team to The Hague to oppose Kenya's bid at the forum. They argue that the government was perpetuating impunity and only interested in saving Ruto from the ICC shackles, while ignoring the pursuit of justice for victims of the 2007-2008 post-election skirmishes. Francis Gashuri, Monday Special.